Hey everyone! Have you ever stared at a bank statement and felt like you needed a decoder ring to understand it? Yeah, me too. Especially when you're running a business, those traditional bank accounts can feel like a maze designed to waste your time. But what if there was a better way? A way to manage your business finances without the headache? Well, that's exactly what the founders of Qonto were thinking. The frustration factor. Let's meet Alexander Pratt and Steve Anavi. These guys aren't just your average entrepreneurs. They've been there, done that, with successful ventures like Smokio, a French e-cigarette company, under their belts. But even with their experience, they were struck by something, the absolute nightmare that was their business banking experience. It was slow, clunky, and offered zero tools to make their lives easier. Imagine being stuck with outdated systems, limited online access, and a lack of features specifically designed for businesses. That's the frustration Alexander and Steve faced, and it wasn't just them. Many entrepreneurs were stuck in the same boat. The birth of an idea. It was out of this frustration that a spark ignited. Alexander and Steve looked at each other and thought, there has to be a better way. Why couldn't managing business finances be simple, transparent, and, dare we say, even enjoyable? And that's how Qonto was born. In 2016, Alexander and Steve set out to create a neobank, a new kind of online bank, specifically designed for entrepreneurs and small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. Building the Qonto Dream Team. Of course, a great idea is only the first step. Alexander and Steve knew they needed a team that shared their vision. So, they assembled a group of talented individuals, all passionate about making business banking a breeze. Diversity was key. They brought together people with backgrounds in finance, technology, and customer service. This dream team would be the engine that powered Qonto's revolution. What makes Qonto different? So, what exactly makes Qonto different? Here's the breakdown. Speed and simplicity. Forget weeks of waiting for approvals. Qonto allows you to open an account online in minutes. Mobile first, they understand you're on the go. Manage your finances from anywhere with their user-friendly mobile app. Smart tools, say goodbye to spreadsheet hell. Qonto offers expense management features, team access controls, and real-time transaction tracking. Built for business, they get the unique needs of businesses. Qonto offers features like virtual cards, integration with accounting software, and simplified VAT management. In short, Qonto is everything your traditional bank account isn't. It's designed to save you time, streamline your finances, and empower you to focus on what matters most, growing your business. The Qonto revolution continues. Since its launch, Qonto has taken the business world by storm. They've helped millions of entrepreneurs ditch the frustration and embrace a new era of financial freedom. And they're not stopping there. Qonto is constantly innovating, adding new features, and expanding their reach. They're on a mission to become the go-to bank for businesses everywhere. So, there you have it. The story of Qonto, born from frustration and fueled by a desire to make business banking a breeze. If you're tired of the banking status quo, then Qonto might just be your saving grace.